In this program, we're going to learn about models. A model is a visual representation or basic diagram of concepts or things that cannot be observed in the everyday world. There are many things in the universe that are beyond the limits of the human eyes, such as radio waves, magnetism, and countless others. In science, a model is a kind of analogy or mental image of the phenomena in terms of something we are familiar with. For example, atoms cannot be seen. They're so small, in fact, that one strand of human hair is approximately 1 million carbon atoms wide. Physicist Niels Bohr created a model of an atom. One of the most recognized models in all of science, the Bohr Model, provided a visual depiction of an atom. The Bohr Model has been modified over the years. The proposed orbit of electrons was changed from a simple circle to elliptical motions. New research gives a better understanding to see the model in greater detail. As the nature of protons and electrons has become more apparent, the model becomes more complex and fully realized. Another model is called an orrery. It's a mechanical device that models the relative motion and behavior of the sun, planets, and moons in our solar system. This is a model that explains the cycle of precipitation on Earth. It uses arrows to emphasize the connections and relationships between the ocean, land, and atmosphere. Today, scientists use computer animations to show real-world processes in any number of circumstances, like a water molecule. Models serve as a visible way to articulate and examine a hypothesis, like the Big Bang Theory, or as a tool to teach more complex subject matter. Now that you better understand scientific models, think about this. How do models help us understand the unseen aspects of our world? Think about it.